Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put s go to the denominator and they should be like this. Next, when s approach to positive infinity, this one you got about e. This one you got about number 0 because 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. So e minus e, you got number 0. That means we have 0 over 0. And we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have negative 1 over s squared. Now I will show you the technique how to find first derivative of this one. Next, we need to do ln for the both side, that is about natural log. Next, we have the formula in here. Fn 8 to the power of b equals to b Fn 8. So, for this one, that is about s Fn of 1 plus 1 over s. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So we need to do first derivative of s multiplied by Fn of 1 plus 1 over s. Later that we need to do first derivative of Fn of 1 plus 1 over s multiplied by s. This one we have number 1. This one we have like this. Next, s simplify 1 over s where we have 1 over s. Next, we need to move both sides by y. About y, that is about this one. So we need to go back in here. So this one, I will put this one go in here. First derivative of e, that is about the constant. So you got number 0. Next, negative 1 over s squared go to numerator, and we have negative s squared in here. Next, s squared multiplied by this one and this one. So s squared simplify for s, we have negative s. Next, we multiply s on numerator and denominator. So this one we have s plus number 1. Now in this situation we can put like this. Now we need to focus about this one. We need to do common denominator. We put negative s square cone here. Next, we divide both sides by s square. Next, we divide both sides by s plus 1. On numerator and denominator. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got number 0, this one you got number 0, this one you got number 0 in here. So everything in here you got number 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. And now we have like this. This one we have negative number 2 over s to the power of 3. Now we multiply by s to the power of 3 on numerator and denominator. This one we multiply by s on numerator and denominator. And now we have like this. Now we do common denominator in here. So that should be like this. Now we need to expand this one. Now negative s to the power of 3 plus s to the power of 3, they simplified. And now we just have like this. Next, this one that is about s squared plus 2s plus 1. Now we need to divide by s squared on numerator and denominator. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got number 0, 0. And now we have like this. And now we simplify and we have 1 over 2. So the value of this one that is about 1 over 2. This one we have negative e because when s approaches to positive infinity. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.